Hello and welcome to today's webinar. This is specially designed for hospitality professionals who are interested in understanding how enterprise-class software solutions can help you scale up your business, increase revenues, enhance guest satisfaction, and control the costs. My name is Jacob and I handle sales and business development for IDS Next, and I'm going to be your host for this webinar. I thank each one of you for taking time off your busy schedules today, and I'm sure that this will be a very good investment for you going forward. In our small amount of time today, my goal is to share with you a brief intro on who we are and what we do. What is Hotel ERP and how is it different from a PMS? What does this all mean to your guests? What does this mean to your business? For those of you who have not heard about us earlier, we are IDS Next, Asia's leading hospitality software solutions provider, and we are the pioneers in Hotel ERP. We run every dimension of hospitality with completely integrated software and services. We have cloud and on-premise deployments, mobile computing and desktop applications, voice-activated hotel rooms, front office and back office solutions. Our solutions are globally available and we handle hotel chains, luxury resorts, limited service and independent boutique hotels. Our solutions are used by clients spanning Africa, Middle East, Greater India, Sri Lanka, and the South Pacific. To give you a snapshot of what our hotel solutions, to give you a snapshot of what we do, we serve 5,000 plus hotels in 40 countries, and this spans hotel rooms ranging from 20 to 700 at 475 different customer locations. We do around 300,000 check-ins and check-outs in a day, and 10 million US worth of transactions are processed every single day. And this is a brief sample list of our clients with whom, and these are some of the key chains and brands that we work with across the geographies that we mentioned before. Now, what exactly is a Hotel ERP and how is it different from a PMS? To understand this, let's look at the following diagrams. The first one shows you how a typical PMS works. You have your front office, the point of sale, the sales and catering, accounts receivable, and the interfaces coupled together, which makes it a PMS. This completely ignores the fact that you have other departments in the hotel which are running either in silos or loosely integrated. To address this problem, we have put together all of your departments into one single platform as follows. Now, this is the power of an ERP. Now, let's have a closer look at the modules in an ERP. As you can see, this covers all of the departments in your hotel, right from the front office through to the back office, which includes materials management, food and beverage costing, financial accounting, and engineering and maintenance. If you run multiple hotels, you can also choose to add on the CRS, business intelligence, and revenue management solutions. As all of these solutions are modular, you can always choose to add on the solutions that you wish to use at this point in time, pay only for what you use, and add the rest as and when you require. Everything is as easy as plug and play. Now, what does all this mean to your hotel guests? We keep your guests at the center of all operations. We have the guest-facing solutions, operational modules, back office, and the reporting and BI, everything designed in such a way that we do all the heavy lifting, leaving you with enough free time to take care of your guests. Now, what does this mean to your business? I had explained earlier that we keep your guest at the center of all operations. Our systems are designed to wholeheartedly share information between themselves. In our systems, but those that we have a deep integration with. So as soon as you get a booking, you have the guest information being shared across all the guest-facing modules. This data is then pushed out into the operational modules, further out into the back office, and then from there on to the analytics platform. As I have mentioned earlier, all of these solutions are completely integrated with each other. All you have to do is to pick the solutions that you want, and it starts working for you from day one. This straight away increases and enhances your guest delight and leaves your staff with a much lighter workload. Happy hoteliers, happy guests. Now, what does this mean for your hotel business? Your staff can get from novice to expert with minimal training, and even though you have a lot of reports in each and every single module, you still get to create your own custom reports the way you want. We also partner with solutions and experts in the field of distribution, revenue management, CRM, and so on. All of these solutions have a deep integration with our core application, and you can find a whole list of partners in our website, www.idsnext.com. All of our solutions are backed up by our 24/7/365 technical support center. We do not have any weekly offs, holidays, Saturdays or Sundays. And when it comes to statutory certifications and compliance, as you can see, we got it all across each one of our regions. I'm sure by now you have understood how an all-in-one solution provider can help you in growing your business. Nothing pains me more than giving you a solution, but after some time you are still clinging on to your problems. Let me make this easier for you by explaining the migration process. Now, the typical questions that we are asked are, when can I implement your all-in-one solution? We have done a whole lot of system replacements, and you can do this at any time of the year. You do not need to wait for end of fiscal or end of month. We can do it at any given point in time. What if I'm opening a new hotel or a resort? How and when should I place the order with you? When it is a new property, it is even more easy. Just give us a call, write to us, and we will supply you with just the solution you need after studying your business requirements. What if I have a patchy internet connection at some of my properties? Not to worry, we have both on-premise and cloud solutions, and you can opt for either depending on the conditions on the ground. This brings us to the end of this webinar. I thank you all once again for joining in, and for those of you who are interested, please click on the link provided. We have some early bird offers